my Crash Bandicoot game that I got for the Game Boy Advance. It's actually pretty cool. Right, let's open her up. I'm gonna pause it. Oh, no. Okay, there's the game. Nintendo. Here is the box. Here's a postcard to send for warranty information or additional information for like promotions and whatnot. So I probably should send this off. Ha ha ha. Pretty cool. Here is a phone number that or a warranty card, I think, or part of Nintendo or whatever. You can put in a code. Don't think it's worth anything though. And then you have the user guide. The user guide's pretty nice. If you have a link cable, you can play with your friends, play with yourself. I really miss new games. They all have manuals. Teaching you how to use the moves and whatnots. Each character. Each type of block. Okay. Let's put this game in. Here's my Game Boy Advance. Play the game on the Game Boy Advance. Crash Bandicoot Advance 2. So this is Crash Bandicoot 2. Okay. Do you want to continue? Credits. This is a continue file. The other ones that start a new game. Continue. Dude, they got pretty far.